Hello, people. It's the girl Chine once again, aka Ada number one. Alright. I've come with another banger. Banger. So today, but before we start, if you're just joining us, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment just to be receiving notifications when we post. Do you get it? So that you will not be left out. So today we will be going to His Royal Majesty's Palace, the Igwe of Onitsha, Abogi. We will be going to the palace to have a tour around the palace. Hmm? But before we do that, let us talk about the history of Onitsha people. Kedu ka ndị Onitsha si wee bido? It is said that na ndị Onitsha si side Bini Kingdom wee migrate wee biri ebe ha bi taa. Because of some people said because of war, they were war from Northern Africa. But because of the war, they migrated. And the name Onitsha, according to history, they said it originated from, they got the name when they were passing Ile-Ife around that area. They got the name. But we all know that all these things are according to its oral literature, oral akoko, sinaka, feraka, history. But something is certain. The Onitsha people migrated from the Bini Kingdom to where they are living today. Ngwa, it will also excite you to know that the Onitsha town was the first town that met with the um with the with civilization, because hand on a Ikpele Mmiri, you understand. Once you cross the Niger, you will see Onitsha. So when people came with the gospel, the whites came with the gospel. When they came with civilization, they came to Onitsha first. So Onitsha was another civilization. And the Inanya, if una a lot of Onitsha Igwes, a lot of them are lettered and widely known. So ọ bụrụ na achọba dị onye na-represent ndị Igbo as a whole, ka e were kịta na achọba Igwe ya represent ndị Igbo, anyị ebidogodo n'Igwe Onitsha. Maka na Igwe Igbo ka ọ bụ. It might also excite you to know na Onitsha bụ ikwu nne m. My mother is from Onitsha. Ndị Onitsha, they are very accommodating people, very lovely people. Ha na-agụ akwụkwọ. Ịchọba ndị Igbo, ndị Easterners kasị eji obodo oyibo agụ akwụkwọ, abụ dọkịta, abụ lọya, ndị Onitsha. Ndị Onitsha na-agụta akwụkwọ nke ọma, nke ya nwere mgbaya. Eziokwu na enwekwa ụfọdụ na-ada emetacha uru, mana eji ego akwụkwọ wee malụ ndị Onitsha. Na be nne m, ọ bụrụ na isi na-ede agụ akwụkwọ, nwe ihe ọzọ a na-akọ, ihe agụlili akwụkwọ. Ndị Onitsha bụrụkwa ndị na-anabata mmadụ. If you look at Onitsha town, ha nabata a lot of people na-abụrụ ndị Onitsha, to the extent na ọ dịkwuzie ka ka ebe ha nwa nọzi adịzi smaller, because they are very accommodating. Onitsha people are beautiful people, and they are very accommodating people. I rest na taa anyị ga-eje na nke Igwe of Onitsha. Let us go and have it. So, are you ready to move with us? Don't be left out. So, we finally went to the Igwe of Onitsha's palace. But, unfortunately, we couldn't do the tour. We couldn't do videos inside because they said that the Igwe, the Obi of Onitsha, prohibited anybody from videoing anything inside the palace. They said they can take me on a tour, but I'm not going to use my phone. So if you look at the walls, look at the inscriptions. They are beautiful. The native inscriptions on the walls.
making videos while going to the palace. So we are in this video now. We are still going, trying to enter the palace. So this is the entrance from the side. There is another bigger as an main entrance from the front, but they don't usually enter from there, except
Maybe they come. Video sugar models. No worry, Kaya, it's noise.
okay. So what do you think about the inscriptions on the walls? They are beautiful, native and awesome. So we are now going back. So that was how we went. It was, I felt bad anyway. I wanted to have time. Imagon nane yale siana sesio mu photo gas. Eh? Mesio mu video gas mana obro ni ento baranya. So I asked my husband to help me take me to the other side so that we can make more videos, so that I can see how the front looks like, so that you can see it, because I would love you to be move on this tour with me so that you see what the front looks like. Hmm? So this is the front main entrance. The Ofala was done. This is the main gate. So that foul. The Ofala was done like some not long ago, maybe around end of last month. And during that period, the roads were blocked because now Igwe Onitsha abụrụ obele mmadụ, Ofala ya abụrụ obele Ofala. The 20th Ofala festival. He did his 20th Ofala festival. If you look through those places, you see those images. Those are former obis of Onitsha. They molded them. Abi molded, abi sculpted. So inside the obi. So this is the walls of the palace towards the one that is facing the road. So that's it. This is what the house inside the gate looks like. So I was trying to get as much information I could get. Oh, I hope you're enjoying. So see different people are facilitating with the Obi on his Ofala festival.